up, Jumbo Jones? My name's Golden, and today we will be playing Garden of Ben Ben! Yay! So basically, I joined this game because, the Fourth Brothers seem to have dropped a new update and some new minigames. Alright guys, let's play. For a parent looking for the missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Oh, Captain Fidos. Alright, you came right. Let's do it. Let's beat the game. As I heard that there is an update. And I hope you guys don't get so disappointed because the quality is bad. See guys, the quality is bad. Oh yeah, I need that key card. It's hard to control using a mobile device. Guys, but before we start, please subscribe to my channel and follow my Roblox account. The drone needs battery, right? And guys, don't get disappointed when the update is not actually on my phone. Because the Fourth Brothers actually said the update is here. So it should be here, guys. Where's one more battery, I mean. Oh, great. Wait, I can't. We used to be able to see it. Wait, no. Where is that battery? Come on, battery, where are you? Wherever you are, come on. Oh, how did I miss that? So hard to pick. The part that I don't like is the opera bird thing. I can't move it. Finally, the notifications are here. Come on, drone. Go. Come. Oh, thank you very much. That part now. Thank you, drone. The drone is actually my friend, guys. Oh my god. I didn't go there. Didn't go to the button. An opera bird better come out and you better watch him. Oh yeah. Come. Alright. Wait, did they not drop the update? I guess they did not. Did they only drop it for like 5 eggs to feed that level? I need the eggs. I need the eggs. found one. Ooh, and this should be the last one. Let's put it in this guy's mouth. Calculation is not wrong. This one. Yep, alright. Let's get rid of this thing. Ah! Break this wall. Break this wall. Yeah, yippee! Alright guys, this is the most scary part. I mean, like, it's not scary, but it's uncomfortable for the jump scare, guys. So uncomfortable. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Shut up! Shut up, you don't make me smile, you make me scared. You're not even cute. Yay! Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. Let's go. How is it not going? Oh, you must have pressed that. Puppy lover, please don't attack me. I gave you the eggs. I fed you, so don't attack me. Please, I'm begging you. Alright, what was the color? Ben Ben Jealous. Bambolina. Yes. How to press this? Finally. Anapila bird, I hate you the most. You're acting so cute, but you're not even cute a single bit. And the last one. Finally, I did it. Please report again. Alright. I know it's sad. Come on, don't be sad. Alright, that stupid bird is gonna come after this. Alright, the stupid bird came. Come on! I'm so scared. Eee. Stupid bird came. Yuck. Faster, make it red. Help me subscribe. H. Alright. I failed. Press. Alright, come. Come closer. Stupid bird. What? Alright guys, restart. Can't be scared. I'm a man or a boy, I don't know, but I gotta be brave, guys. Faster. Come on. Go. Come on. Yes. Now I'm finally here. Yeah, boy. What a good view. What's this thing floating? What happened? What's that? Ew. Oh my god. Jumbo Josh. Oh, I know this. Oh. Sup, Jumbo Josh. Ooh! Okay. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow my YouTube community, and also follow my Roblox account. LOL, but we're not playing Roblox right now. But anyways, just follow my Roblox account. Bye.
this over with.
Mari kita latihan berbicara.
Baik, ayo.
What's your name?
My name is David.
Kamu maksudnya my name is Dave.